Hey y'all, today I'm excited to share with you my go-to house seasoning. I whip up all sorts of seasoning blends, but this one is my favorite and the one I use the most. So grab your measuring cups and let's get seasoning. So I'm going to take a half-gallon mason jar and put a funnel inside. Then I'm going to get 2 cups of salt. I use red salt, but kosher works well too. Then I'm going to pour in a half a cup of coarse black pepper. And a half a cup of granulated garlic. Two tablespoons of onion powder. And 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. I love that red color. Then you're going to pop your lid on and shake it up real good. Most seasonings nowadays contain a lot of unnecessary additives that our bodies don't need. This homemade seasoning is a great way to cut out some of those extras. I use it on everything: chicken, gravy, roast, potatoes, you name it. It's a versatile and flavorful option. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.